Thomas Jones, born in 1810, was a carpenter's son from Berriew, Montgomeryshire, Wales. He became a Calvinistic Methodist minister in 1840 and shortly afterwards set out for India with his wife Anne Jones. It was on the 22nd of June 1841 that Reverend Thomas Jones and his wife, who established the first permanent mission among the Khasis, arrived at Sora and pioneered the Khasi alphabet, literacy and literature. Meghalaya observes the day annually on June 22nd to commemorate the contributions made by the Calvinistic Methodist minister to the Khasi community in particular and the state as a whole. On the same day, the staff of Meghalaya House, Kolkata, had paid their tribute to Reverend Thomas Jones by visiting the Scottish Church Cemetery where Thomas Jones was buried. Wreaths were laid at the tombstone of the missionary and prayers were also offered to the Almighty for the welfare and well-being of the people of the state.
Today, we are very happy and pleased to be here with the staff of Meghalaya House, Kolkata, to near his grave. He worked for the Khasi alphabet and he is the pioneer of Khasi alphabet. Today we will pray for him.
Bukan